Okay, let's do the 10-point blocking system. It's a green belt blocking system. You have to have a green belt and above, but if you're under green belt, that's fine. What it is more of a cutting or deflecting for a lot of the blocks. Okay, so at the beginning, you bow, you step out. Make sure your wrist is over your wrist. So it's not palm over palm, wrist over wrist, so it's cutting through your center line area. So it's not just kind of out this way. So you can be cutting down, and that is actually the beginning salutation, or that's what we can consider the beginning salutation. It could actually be a block. Okay, so again, you bow, wrist over wrist, cut down. All right, and notice my arms aren't too close, they're not too far out, and your shoulders are down. So, bow, beginning salutation, then one block. It's a ridge hand block. You're using this part, the ridge hand part of your forearm, and your hand with the thumb over this area here. And the palms are not necessarily straight up and down, or the fingers aren't straight up and down. The palms are up, almost like you could be holding a tray. Okay, so again, salutation, one. Then bring it back, cross over, so your wrist over wrist, cut down, two block. And think like this is almost like a sword, where it cuts down with this as being a blade. So the cutting part is the knife hand part of your hand. Okay, whereas on the other side, the blocking part was the ridge hand part. On this side, it's the knife hand part going down. So again, salutation, one, two. Then back up, cross, three, out with the knife edge again. So the knife edge, once again, is blocking, or forearm. All right, so again, bow, salutation, one, two, three. Then from there, you're going to turn your hands inward and trap inward with four. So this could be a knife edge and a palm, or if you want to bring in two knife edges, you can. Okay, so right from here, it trapped in. Okay, and you bring your forearms in as close as you can, not just your hands out this way, but your forearms come right in too. Salutation, one, two, three, four, and then from there, bring your hands up. So you'd have like a triangular shape. With your hands, my elbows are up, my shoulders are down, and then I press down with five. And you want to think about having kind of a wedge angle down here for your five block. A lot of times that block is used actually with your hands more crossed or single arm, but for now you do both sides, so you got the energy from both sides of your body. Okay? So does not necessarily mean that it has to be done against two punches. It's the way you move your body that gives you the energy for the block that you're using for the cutting knives. Salutation, one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so again, bow, salutation, ridge hands, one, cutting knives, two, cutting knives, three, trapping in, four, up, pressing down and forward with a wedge, five. Okay, then from there, cup and saucer, and bring the cup and saucer onto your right side. Okay, from there, you're going to have one hand high and one hand low, and it turns across your body. That's kind of a hidden block there. Then you go out, and these can actually be blocks or strikes with tiger paws or tiger claws. Okay. So again, we were down here, in, across the body. So my right hand's high, I turn my body. Then cup and saucer, hidden block, comes across the body. This could be a block down here. This could be a block up here as I come across. And it goes out from the side. So I'm going out this way. Okay, from the beginning. Salutation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cup and saucer, hidden blocks, cup and saucer, hidden block, 6 goes down, around, deflecting block outward. Then take and pull in one knuckle, second knuckle, thumbs wrap around, pull in. Okay, for 6. Becomes basically the blocks out, kind of come out in that direction. So you are here, 6, down, around, and out. And think like you're aiming out sort of towards the collarbone, neck area, above the collarbones. Here, wrist on wrist, around, out, pull back. Salutation, ridge, cutting knife, knife, trap, wedge with the palms down, hidden block, cup and saucer, hidden block, 6, down, around, out, pull in. Okay, now we're going to do the grandmother block. I like to just slide my right hand down. So I'm in here, slide my right hand down, let my left hand slip underneath, behind the elbow. So the back of my hand is behind my elbow or up on my tricep area, and I lock. So basically, I went from here, down, 7 block. And I'm blocking with the ridge hand area again. So this part of my hand will be or forearm is my ridge hand. Okay, so I'm in here. I slip this, 7 block. Then I do the palm, brushes by my bicep. I block high and I block low with 8. All the way around. Hidden block. Those can be blocks and they can also be strikes. Okay, so then from there, let's do that again from here. Here, back, 7. The right hand comes low, left hand high, 8, high and low, all the way around. My right hand's by my right ear, my left hand's by my left hip, elbow position area, but a little bit lower. Okay, and then to go to 9. I usually slip this around behind my lower hand using the back of my hand, and it flips kind of up. And then 9 block. Okay, so this will go from here, 9. So same thing, I'm using my ridge hand. Okay, so let's do it from this point here. Down, this will be 7, 8, 9. Then from the 9, the palm will come inside your bicep, all the way around for 10. High and low. My palm's down, my knife edge is up, all the way around. Lower hip by my ear. Hidden block. Then from there, ending salutation and bow. All right, so that's a 10-point blocking system. Let's do it again from this part here, where I'm going to go into number 6. Down, around, out, pulling in and back. 7 block, high and low. Around for 8. Excuse me, this would be 9. And 10. And then you bow. Okay, so let me do it from the side. 10-point blocking system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ending salutation and bow. Okay, you can actually have the count in different ways. That's the way I found it to work really well. Some of the transitions become actually really cool blocks in the 10 point. One more time from the beginning. Good luck with the 10 point blocking system.